Okay, here's an update. I took away that waterfall that was right behind the church, and the church used to sit up here. And I moved it and I put it over here, so you can see the layout better. I put a little waterfall down right here, and I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna put a waterfall right here. It's gonna come off in here and it's gonna run down there. And right up here is my little pond where I got water already set in it, and I got a baptism going on. I gotta fix his hand on that preacher. I gotta fix his hand. It fell off. I'm gonna fix that. Well, you go up here down this trail right up here, and you go inside the church. There's the potter's house. The trail goes back door. So you come down here, walk around the pond right here, see a little trail. Goes up here. Just to go right up here where they're going to put a little parking space where the parking lot will go. Let's see how you get up close. Now I get that waterfall a little bit better. On the little cliff side. Watch a baptism going on. Hope you enjoyed this layout.